Today we are going to see about the DT based video designing and VR AR.
Where we are presenting how to use the design thinking approach to the design a VR AR experience that is interact special and how to use. Thank you. Let's start with understanding the users.
The design thinking approach, we are first seeing the empathize stage where we get the user feedback, by which we observe student the first time VR experience. They found difficult in many are feel uncomfortable in using VR experience, and also they confused in using the VR. And next point, controls are all hard to understand, so which they are unable to understand the concept. So we can users want simple interaction. They want a simple interaction with the VR and the view of site, and also natural hand movements and clear navigation. Where can within the motion they can carry the navigation also. So our main focus is to give a comfort user experience.
Now we are clearly known the core problem of the problem. What it means to designing a VR and AR for a user experience. For that, my point is define. In my define, there are three ways. First thing, we have to use a gesture modification, because it will use user to understand the natural movement and also easy to understand the gestures. And second thing is the confused state. It will clear the confused state of the user and easy to access the VR and AR environment using games and audios of social media. And final thing is asking suggestions and feedbacks, where we want to develop our VR and AR environment, in which state we have to develop it. So this is the idea, define of my point. Thank you.
Now the next stage is ideate. After refining, we need to ideate and improve the idea. Best ideas to improve our gaming experience is adding more features which can be felt in real time. The first feature is hand gestures. From moving one object to another, which is buttons. We need to move one buttons from one place to another. And next, floating 3D menus. The menus which can be modified according to your VR or AR experience. You can customize the options from here to here. So the gaming experience can be felt real. And AR object interaction, which the characters in the AR can be felt before you. It felt like you are playing with them. And lastly, haptic feedback, which gives the ultimate realism. Thank you.
Create a classroom prototype. In this environment, lesson appears in 3D cameras. Students use hand action to interact. Voice command change the topics. User can walk around the objects. So the prototype shows how interaction improves to learn and learning new things and engagement.
As they say, we tested our prototype with users. Positive feedback like easy to use, more engaging, better understanding of topics, and suggestions are add a tutorial for beginners and improve voice recognition. We used this feedback to improve the result.
I would like to conclude. So now that we have come up with a more easily accessible design from the already existing AR and VR systems, now it is easily available and accessible by everyone across every sectors. So the expected outcomes from this optimal design is improved user experience, reduced motion sickness, and more accessible, easily accessible educational VR and AR systems, and improved gaming and so on. So now this can be used across various commercial sectors as well, as it is a no-brainer. Thank you.